Hello everyone and welcome to So Many Games So Little Time. Today we're going to have another unboxing and it's going to be Fantasy Brawl. I can see it's still in shrink and wrapped up and everything else, so let's first get this out of the way. Okay, so this is the box, but still the shrink on. Mythic Games, Super Fantasy Brawl by Jochen Eisenhuth. Okay, so let's take a look at the sides. So 2 or 4 players, 30 to 40 minutes, 14 plus. All right, I don't think the sides are that much different. I think it'll just have the name on it, and that's it. There you go, on the side. Okay, and then the back. Looks like this. Okay, so no dice system, faction free, create a synergistic action deck, all the different champions, which are of course unpainted, statues and everything. All right, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so the shrink is off, and let's see what's inside. Okay, is there anything on the inside of the box? No artwork. And then here we have the Fantasy Brawl rules. Okay, the introduction, the overview, the board, the game tray inserts, the heroes, the champions, sorry, they're not heroes. Okay, drafting, of course, super important. All the actions and the skills, leveling up, so on, 4-player variant, competitive draft, and so on. Okay, then we have all of these. Now the miniatures, as usual, I will zoom in on them later, so now I'm just going to remove the boxes. Okay, so now it's time to take a look at the minis. The first one, I didn't check the names, okay, so I didn't do that. Is this guy. All right, detail is nice. It's gonna be really awesome to paint, but where to find the time though? And even though he's like on one leg, detail is still really nice. I mean, the balance is really nice. Okay, that's the first one. Second one. Oh, that's a Chinese one, like Xizhao, if I'm not mistaken. I think the first one was Goldar, actually. Some of the names I remember. So awesome. The details on this. Oh my god. Nice, nice, nice. Next. Hello. This is so cool. I don't even remember seeing this one. I don't know who this is. But really, really nice. Okay, maybe I should move this up on my to paint list. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. But at the same time, with miniatures like these, when they're so detailed and they look so nice, I also have the automatic fear of messing them up when I paint them. But, you know, it's something to get over, I guess. Just get over it. Just do it. Okay, it's the crossbow lady. This one's a little bit smaller. I think she has a lot of traps as well. But it's the space underneath that's difficult to paint though. It's gonna be a challenge. Even priming it is a challenge if it's that low. Oh, another big one. Another brute. Wow, the metal chin. This one is half robot. Half metal anyway. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, let me go to the other side. Nice wings. Oh, it's actually flying. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Next one. That's the back. No, it's not the back. Oh, where's the face? Ah, here. Here's the face. Okay. Sorry. Took a while to figure it out. Okay. Next one. Oh, this is so cool. The Japanese style. This is so awesome. Look at the scales. Oh my god. I already love this game and I haven't even played it yet. Okay. Then we have him. This double sword attack, right? Amazing cape. I'm rubbish at painting capes though, so I should get better before doing this one. Okay, there's two more. Up. Oh, look at the chain and the treasure chest on his back. Oh my goodness. I'm getting all giddy. It's gonna be so nice when they're painted. Next, and last but not least actually. There we go. She's also flying. Yeah, also flying. It has the fire. Nice. All right, those were the minis, but of course we also have the towers. Here is one of them. Start from the bottom. Oh, so cool. In a way, I'm sad it's a statue, right? Because statues are not supposed to be very colorful. Kind of want to paint this guy like normal, but yeah. So that's one. Second one. Wow, this one's heavy and also heavily detailed. Look at that hammer and the anvil on his back. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. All right. Nice. Okay, one more. Last one. Ooh, so cool. Sitting on the dock of the bay, top of the world, whatever, floating. Super zen, all the arms. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right. Now, let's take a look at this first. This is the punch out board. Okay. Up, back side. Let's take care of the easy stuff first. All right, this is the game board. Can't really easily reach it now, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's take a look at some of the heroes. Not the miniatures, but the cards and so on. Game trays are really nice, by the way. Okay, this is a big deck, so let's open it up, shall we? Okay, so the backs, they're not all the same because it's well, they are all the same. It's just the main hero card that's double-sided for the upgrades, but I'll flip that when we meet them. So for example, this is Goldar, his basic card, and then leveled up he looks like this. All right, the fiery eyes and everything makes me think a little bit about makes me think of Dungeonology. Okay. All right, so Mihatis. Harpoon Strike, Plunder, Intimidation, Anchors Away, Set Sail. And then we have Su Zhao. And Su Zhao, this is his level up, right, mode. And he has Challenge, Focus, Double Strike, Flash of Jade, Revenge, Pounce. And then we have Kilgore the Ravager and his level up card. Relentless Advance, Dark Steel Armor, Throw, Maul Thrash, Fury, Appetite for Destruction. Then we have Darren, the Huntress of the Eastwood. Alright, that's her upgraded form. Heavy Shots, Hunter's Quarry, Prowl, Ambush, Spring the Trap, Hit and Run. Then we have Gwaine, or Gwaine. Don't know how to pronounce it, to be honest. That's her level up. Okay. Fireball, Flame Spear, Chain Lightning, Ignite, Arcane Shield, Teleport. Then we have Dugrun. His level up. Alright. So, Hold Ground, Knockdown, Mighty Blow, Shield Slam, Blizzard, Onwards. Alright, we have Akit, Light of Creation. Alright, Akit. Take Flight, Wingstorm, From the Ashes, Healing Tears, and Inner Fire and Death from Above. That's a little inside joke if you've ever played Dive Kick on Steam computer game. If you haven't, you should really check it out, because I'm not going to talk more about it. Just check out Dive Kick. When they fight, they always start with Death from Above, Dive Kick. Anyway, so Wrath, okay, his upgraded form, his leveled up form, sorry. Double Dealing, Nightshade, Stalk Beneath, Burrow, Sneak Attack, Go to Ground. Then we have Golel. Okay, her upgraded form. Then Double Jump, Mighty Jump, Poison Dart, Blinding Dart, Scout Ahead, Tongue Lash, and Sulka, the Poisoned Mind, and her upgraded form. Darting Strikes, and Life Drain, Effigy, Spirit Slither, Mind Control, and Curse. And then lastly we have, or maybe not lastly, we have Corvash and his upgraded form. Hell Hath No Fury, Chop, Shockwave, Leaping Strike, Blood Curdling Roar, Sap Strength, and then lastly we have Marius the Cursed. So here we are, his upgraded form. Ravenous Bite, Stalk the Prey, Closing In, Overpower, Bone to Pick, and a Cornered Beast. Oh, I really like this. This reminds me of Naruto. But anyway. Alright, so those are the cards. Awesome art, looks really nice. Let's take a look at these challenge cards. Okay, so these are challenge cards. They all are. So different challenges, harbingers of destruction. There's no real art here, so I'm not gonna go through them because, I mean, it doesn't really do much. It's more for the art wise that it's interesting, but just a lot of different well, there's not all different. For example, there's more than one harbinger of destruction and so on. All right, so there's multiple copies. All right, so that part is done. I'll cover it up, and that goes very nicely up. Put it out because we're going to take the board out later. Then we have these. Of course, the rings I'm not going to show. Well, actually, there's something special here, so I'll open it anyway, because the rings just go underneath your heroes. Nothing special, but I'll show them anyway. They're just plastic. So they're plastic. They're not like the soft stuff you have in with Street Masters or whatever. They're hard plastic. And these are cups. I guess you can get these by winning challenges or fights or whatever. I'm just guessing here. And you also have this, which might be the first player marker. Wouldn't surprise me if it is. Once again, I'm just guessing. Maybe it's an educated guess, maybe not. Oh, this one is a bit upwards, so let me adjust it. There we go. All right. Some more stuff in here. More cups. I'm not going to take this out. These are tokens. Very lightweight. There's things like broken armor and 3 broken armors. So I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe exactly for what I just said it is. There's a lot of them. There's another baggie with those. Then we have blue ones. Could be for teams, you know, trying to collect these. Or traps maybe. But this one on the back also has 3 of those broken shieldy things. So yeah, don't know. More of these, more tokens. I'll take one of each out. So you can see the different styles. Like I said, I don't know what this is for. Just showing you. They're all very, very lightweight. Makes me think of these very cheap poker chips, you know, that you get in these very cheap poker sets. You know, very, very thin. Okay, this seems to be more, oh, I think these are traps. Really feels like traps. And these things, maybe it's also some kind of trap. You know, it could be like stun or whatever. Once again, just guessing. All right, putting it all in again. All right, so what is this on the right? Let's take it out. These seem to be the player boards, actually. Let's open it up. Okay, so these are all very similar boards. And on one side it's French, because it says here, infliger un ennemi adjacent. So luckily the other side is English. Deal 1, I think, damage or whatever to an adjacent enemy. Plan 1, heal 1. So in French that was plan un, soit un. It's been a while, you know, my French. So yeah, just the player boards. That's it. I'll put them here. And then we have the actual board, which I will open up in a second and move everything out of the way. Okay, so this is it. This is the board. That's what it looks like. It's one-sided, all right? I think it should easily fit on my table. There's still room left for player boards and all that. And yeah, looks nice. You have the different areas, of course. Cardboard-wise, it's okay. There's a little bit of a lift, but nothing some heavy boxes or whatever can't fix. All right, so that is basically the last thing that I wanted to show everybody. So this was Super Fantasy Brawl, the unboxing. Okay, if you like this, if you want to have some more unboxings, if you have some requests for playthroughs, if you want to see a playthrough of this, anything at all, just let us know in the comments. And that's it. Okay, I was Joachim. This was So Many Games, So Little Time, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye bye.